All right. After that big W, we just got dealt the best hand in poker. You know, we just gotta rip it, max, raise. Let's get it. Twos, let's see. Will we have any takers? What's funny is the bad play I referenced in the last hand was because I got all the money in with ducks, and I was ahead. They rivered the ace. Obviously, I lost. All right, we got an all-in, another all-in. This dude folds. We're going three ways. Oh, no, queens. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? I do not lie about ducks. I swear to God. Oh, my God. Yes.